Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free student tickets for the Houston Zoo. The very first thing we'll need to do is head over to the Houston Zoo website. If you type in Houston Zoo on Google, it'll be the very first search engine term that pops up. Perfect, now we're here. Scroll down below daytime admission tickets, and this is where we'll be able to purchase our tickets. Below general admission, we'll click on discount tickets. And then scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see where it says college student. This is us. As you can see, U of H is listed as one of the schools that gets free student tickets. We'll select adding one, and then we'll select a date and time. We plan on going on the 16th and getting to the zoo between 1 and 2 p.m. Perfect. Now you can add it to your cart. Now go back to the top of your screen and enter your cart. As you can see, it says 0 next to our student tickets, but we're going to scroll down to the total just to make sure that it came out to 0. And it did. Perfect. Next, we're going to hit checkout. Under checkout, this is where it's going to ask you to fill in all of your information. Your last name, first name, where you live, your number, your email address, and everything else. Make sure you read the terms and conditions and select that you've read all of them, and make sure that your delivery method is mobile tickets. We're also going to make sure to let the Houston Zoo know that we're not robots, we're college students. After completing all these steps, you should find a message in your email inbox that says Houston Zoo tickets. Open it up and you'll see a link right here that leads you directly to where your ticket is online. Take a screenshot, save it to your wallet, or just keep the tab open for when you get to the zoo. And don't forget to bring your Cougar card so they know you're a student and they let us in. Y'all have a great day.